One of the main functions in Power Query is combine data. There are two primary ways of combining data, merge and append. What is the difference between merge and append? When you have one or more columns that you'd like to add to another query, you use merge queries. When you have additional rows of data that you'd like to add to an existing query, you use append queries. Next, I will walk you through an example step by step.
Data, get data, combine query. Both merge and append are used in the combine queries. For the append, let's take a look with a real example. It could be two tables, three or more tables. I choose two tables. First table, second table. Append is used to add two tables in the same format together. I just appended two tables from the data source, the first one, the second one. As you can see, the format between the first one, second one are the same. It has equal amount of columns with the same header name. If one table has more columns than the other, it would also work. The column with the same header name will be append. The last, append 1, is the new table, combining the two source tables. What it does is it kept the same number of columns with the same column header. The number of rows from both source tables are added together. For instance, if the first table has 1,000 rows, the second table has 2,000 rows, then in this append table, there will be 3,000 rows. That is append. Let's take a look. The second option, merge, combine query, merge. What merge does is choose the first primary table, that is the data table. The second, I choose the mapping table. Here I choose account. These two tables has the different format. The first one is the data table. So each column, the value might repeat. For instance, in this account, there could be many rows with the same account name. On the contrary, in this account mapping table, it is used to map the account. Then the account number in this account mapping table is unique. There's no duplicates. What we are going to do is based on this key field. That is the similarity to tables share, account, and account. I will use left outer to join these two tables. The mapping table, the key field needs to be unique. What it does is like VLOOKUP in Excel based on the key field account. It will look up the related field from the account mapping table. Let's take a look. Click OK. A new table appeared called merge 1. In this new merged table, we can see the primary data table exactly the same, with the same column, same row. Additionally, account mapping table has been added to the main data table based on the key field account. If we click this account table open, potentially we could add all the columns from account to the data table. In this case, we only need one. I take one calculation, click OK. We're getting one extra column from the data mapping table. Double click, rename it. Check the data type from transform data type. It is whole number. That is right.
We just went through the difference between merge and append when combining data in Power Query. To summarize, merge is to add number of columns and append, number of rows. I will tell you about how to add calculated column in next video. Thank you for listening. I'm Jennifer, business analytic expert who love BI tools.